Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Tonight I'm going to make some green enchilada chicken soup. And to start, you're going to need a chicken. And I cheated, and I went ahead and I bought a chicken already cooked. But you can go ahead and cook your own chicken. You need about 2.5 pounds. So I'm going to debone this, and then we'll get started. So we got the chicken all deboned. Next we're going to put in 32 ounces of chicken broth. Then we're going to put in 38 ounces of green enchilada sauce. Okay, I'm going to cook this on medium heat for about an hour. By the way, this is my new pot that I bought, my new cast iron pot. I think I like it. Alright, we'll be back when we check on it. Wow, it is really starting to smell good in here. I think I'm going to wait about another 30 minutes and start adding the other stuff. Alright, I'm at about an hour and a half in, and I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. You can also use half and half. Next I'm going to add, I shredded an 8-ounce bar of Monterey Jack cheese. I'm going to add this. Next I'm going to add some of this salsa verde that I made. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup. There we go. Get that all stirred up. I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of the verde sauce. Just for a little more flavor. It's really good like this, but I bet this will give it more flavor. And once this heats back up, it'll be ready to eat. You want to salt and pepper to taste. I think that with the chicken stock, it has enough salt. Yum. Alright y'all, enchilada chicken soup taste test.
It's got a lot of flavor to it.
I like it.
Yeah, it's really good.
Alright y'all, this is a pretty easy recipe, so if you make this, tell me what you think, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.